Ever heard about gender discrimination?
Yes, I heard recently we had a public consultation, it's called referendum, about the rights of gay people to adopt or not adopt children. I think it's very bad because every person has the right to choose whoever he is and to choose how he feels. If he feels good being a man, it's okay. If he is a man and he's prisoner in the body of a woman, he has the right to choose and to become woman if that he wants. But in Romania, because of the strong religious beliefs, the church blames the kind of people who want to change their gender.
Have you ever experienced gender discrimination in your house, in your family, or abusement?
Abusement, no, but discrimination sometimes, because women are considered like weak persons. I don't know right now, but when I have to buy something, like a computer or a thing like this, the seller thinks that because I'm a woman, I'm not good at this kind of things, and he tries to sell me an object with a value that's not good.
And how do you react?
I react to aggressively sometimes because I used to tell I'm a woman, but I know I have internet. I can look after the thing in question. I am as good as a man.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
My pleasure.